American Red Cross will distribute more than 13,000 smoke detectors in Indiana as part of a nationwide campaign to sound the alarm for fire safety kicking off on April 28th. Local fire departments, volunteers, and other community partners will canvass Indiana neighborhoods and install smoke alarms for families in need. Home fires are the biggest disaster threat we face, killing an average of 7 people in this country every day. Across Indiana, we have responded to nearly 1,500 home fires in the last 9 months. Please help us sound the alarm by volunteering to install smoke alarms in your community, making a financial contribution, or taking the steps to protect your own family from home fires. The smoke alarms are provided by the American Red Cross, as well as training and resources to support partner departments, organizations, and volunteers interested in participating in the Sound the Alarm campaign. Thank you again. This has been a PSA from the Sound the Alarm campaign from the American Red Cross and the IDHS.